This is hot air oven special. We have created this special for this. A chamber is there. Now width is about 22 inches and the depth is about as per the requirement of the buyer. This is all stainless steel. 3 trays are there. Heavy trays are there, which are very heavy for the heavy load. This one is very special oven we have created with the PID controller. This one is showing you the load that the heater is burning. This one is also heater is growing, and then this one is the main indicator. This one, number 1 is the slowest heating, number 2 and 3 is the highest speed of heating. Here it is on, this 0 is for 0 means no heating. We can put it on 0, then it will be main indicator means power is coming, and then if you put it on this 1 indicator is telling you load is going on. Now I tell you how to change the temperature. Press the set. Already we have done it to the 300 degree. It can go up to 300 as per the requirement of the buyer. You can set, this is set temperature, and we can reduce it. Let me reduce it. If we press it longer, it starts going faster. Just see this. Now I set it to 260 and enter. Now it becomes 260. Inside is 21 degree. Heating is going on. Very easy to use this. And there are 2 vents on both the sides. There is one air. You have to close it for the higher temperature. This one is there. Another one is on the other side. This one, there is another one. And there is a lockable door is there. You can use it. This one is very heavy, and you can use it for continuously days together. And please visit the website, and you can send us the message and email us your requirement, and please visit the website and send us an email or abron01@gmail.com and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.